Alright, man, I guess I'm gonna start the video off, man. Deja in the car because it's cold. So, man, it's our first day, man. Well, this is our first training session, man. One of our, I guess, YouTube subscribers booked our training day. So it's a one-day training, man. We're gonna show him how to load up his load at the Amazon warehouse. And we're gonna show him, we're gonna go to a post office and, you know what I'm saying, let him rock out, man. Y'all see the whips up in here, though, huh? Big scat pad right here. Yeah, Camaro over there. Let's get it, man. Go find Deja. Oh, I know it's cold. Oh, I already started.
Oh. What is this? Right here.
That's my chicken.
Oh my God.
Alright, man, I don't know if y'all can see me, man, but we'll see y'all at the warehouse. Well, there we go. We'll see y'all at the warehouse, man, or the truck, man. Alright, y'all, so we made it to the post office. Cold as hell out here. Made it to the post office. Ooh, I am. Okay. Definitely gotta report this. Y'all see this. We ain't going nowhere.
All right. So when you started already?
Yeah.
All right. So when you get here, you just exit navigation, begin. So it says 6 items, which you had 6 barcodes at the warehouse. He said he about to move, fix it. He said he the backup king and got all this space. All this space left.
Oh, that's fun. Oh, well, nah. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. All right, so you showed them how to work.
Huh? Oh.
Yeah, it's either 1 or 2 of them.
Just up and down.
Yeah,
Well, you're getting some valuable training tonight. Y'all need to sign up. This has been very helpful for my business.
Jesse, I wasn't on.
Definitely, man. Y'all come take the training course, man. Very hands-on. Very hands-on.
You want to hold it?
Yeah, hold it.
It probably fell off the pallet. Alright, so it's the same thing. You're going to scan the same barcode. Right. Scan it, take them off just to make sure you're dropping off everything that you picked up.
Move back. Y'all looking to get training for Amazon,
He's
man.
still forgetting this part too.
Okay.
Just pick it up. You can slide it off. We pick it up and slide it off. You know how to work the straps?
Yeah. Probably gotta hit it. Yeah. No room over here.
No, it's a little strange.
You gotta make it work.
So we left the straps.
Yeah. I can run back and get them. I mean, you know, we can always get straps from Amazon.
I mean, yeah, we can get them. But
Right over here?
you know how hard we
Yep, you put it down. I know. It took us a long time to get the straps.
Usually scan you scan that you're taking them off because it time stamps it once you scan it.
Okay.
Once you exit it out. So you're done. Check out.
You got your green check mark too.
Right. And then it just ask you how your load was. If it was a bad drive, how your stop was. Tap close. And now you good. It just brings up your next load.
Right. Oh, that's church 6. Oh, that's like that. Yeah. Let this down.
This was an informative training.
Absolutely. It's a must-do, people. I'm just getting ready to get started, and I saw these guys on YouTube, and when I tell you I got a lot of information that is really going to help my company soar to new levels. So I appreciate the training, and like I said, it's a must-do. If you're just starting this out and you want some hands-on training, this was great.
Thank you. Thank you for coming to the training.
You know, I saying that one more time. Just on the Instagram. Oh, that's good. Yes, sir. So how was it? All right, y'all. So, man, as y'all saw, man, we trained our first subscriber, man. So if you're looking to come out to Houston, man, and get some of this one-on-one training on, man, ride along. We teach you everything that you need to know. She trying to get the air brake. She don't know what she doing with the goddamn air brake. Bro, come on, bro. You gotta push it. Hey,
That's
come
what
on,
I was
bro.
doing.
No, it's not what you doing. All right, now put that back to neutral and drive. Neutral and drive.
Alright, y'all, so we are back. Our trainee is gone home, and we actually just picked up another load. So, like just was trying to say, we charge $250 to come and train with us for 1 day, hands-on training from the warehouse to the post offices.
Yes, sir.
We usually start around 9, 10, 11, whichever times we get the load, and then until the load is finished. If y'all are not in Houston, we do have Airbnbs for y'all to come and stay in, half off the price.
Yes, sir.
Everything will be in the description for you guys to book whenever fits your availability. We are open to training 7 days a week.
And let's get this money, man. Let's level up. It's peak season too.
Right, and the loads is busting. So we just trained him. We had one stop. We dropped him back off to his car, and we literally came back to the warehouse and picked up another stop. Peak season is here. These loads is
$1,000 loads. $1,000, $1,200 loads, man.
yes. What was they gonna say? Oh, this was our first training, and it actually went really, really good. He said he enjoyed himself, and he learned a lot, and he also taught us some stuff too that we didn't know. So we ready for y'all. Y'all looking for the training with Amazon, because like we said, Amazon does not train y'all at all. They don't teach you nothing as far as how to load your truck or anything like that. So we charging $250 to come and train with us.
Yes, sir.
All right.
We're gonna get you right, man. One-on-one training, ride alongs, everything you need, bro. Everything. Get you right.
So this is the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, sir.
Hit that post notification bell so you can know the next time we post a video.